The Sniffle Support Team. Here to help you with all your sniffling problems. Hey, John. Hi, buddy. Come get pets. Buddy. I bought you a new toothbrush. You're gonna hate it. As soon as they have the catnip toothpaste, I will try it for you also. You go get him? Oh, he's grooming himself. The nerve. The nerve of that cat. To groom himself and not you. Hi, Marcus. Hi, buddy. You don't need to bite the phone, sir. No biting the phone. Moved into position.